Is ClickBank Profit Club actually worth it? Here's my honest research-based review. ClickBank Profit Club is a done-for-you affiliate marketing system created by John Thornhill, a 9-times ClickBank Platinum vendor. That means he has consistently generated over $100,000 in sales on ClickBank multiple times. The system includes a complete email follow-up sequence, affiliate training, and a done-for-you recruitment system for VIP members. When you join, you get access to a proven ClickBank affiliate system that is already set up for you. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to write email. You don't need any technical skills. The front end is free to join, which means your audience has zero risk getting started. The commissions come from upsells inside the system, up to $61 per conversion. Now, let's talk pros and cons honestly. Pros: number 1, it's free to join, so barrier to entry is very low. Number 2, John Thornhill is a legitimate and established vendor, not a random scammer. Number 3, done-for-you system saves months of work. Number 4, gravity score of 75, meaning hundreds of affiliates are actively making sales right now. Cons: number 1, the big commissions come from upsells, not the free entry. Number 2, CVR is 0.24%, meaning you need consistent traffic to see real results. Number 3, this is not a get-rich-quick system. You need to put in work to drive traffic. This system is best for complete beginners who don't want to build everything from scratch. If you have zero experience, zero technical skills, and want a proven system to start with, this is a solid option. If you are an advanced marketer looking for a high-ticket product, this may not be for you. Overall, based on my research, ClickBank Profit Club is a legitimate, done-for-you affiliate system backed by a proven vendor. It is not a magic button, but it is a real starting point for beginners. Link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. It is free to join. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more honest review content. See you in the next video.